Hi everyone. So I purchased this watch bundle on eBay, and I figured I would do a unboxing, I guess that's what you would call it, with you guys, so we can all see what I got. I'm excited. Let's see. I forgot how many watches there were in this lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I think they were all new, just the packaging was flawed. So there's 5. Let's open up the first one. Oh, this one is what I was most excited for. This green one. Let's see. Ooh, she's pretty. This one I'm definitely keeping for myself. Let's get her out. Well, I gotta figure out how to attach it correctly, but look how pretty. Yeah, she's gonna be for me. Alright, so there's that one. Alright, let's see the next one. Ooh, she's pretty as well. Look at her. Alright, let's see this one. Cute. Oh, wait. Oops. Ooh, I love the two-tone on this one. Gold and silver. I might keep this one as well. Alright, and the last one. Oh, looks like it's the same one. Oh. Well, no, they're different. That might keep one. Alright, so I'm gonna decide which ones I'm going to list for sale, but definitely keeping a couple. I love this brand. I have a personal watch that I wear every single day from Rosefield, and it's so well made. So I'm gonna list 2 of those. No, 3 of those. Might keep those 2.